Hello, children. How are you all? I hope you all have enjoyed the holidays for 1 week, right? Again, we are back to our class, that is, online class. So, I welcome you all with a bright smile to science class. Okay? Don't forget anything. I hope you all remembered what I have taught you in the previous class, that is, science in everyday life. Lesson number 4. So we have finished learning fourth lesson, right? Today, see, in the last class I have given assignment, match the following. See here, this is the olden type of ladle. So now we are using this type of ladle. Now this is grinder. In the olden days, if you show to your mother, she will be telling you. So this idli mav and all will be prepared in this. Okay. So now we are having a grinder. In this we used to make chutneys, masalas, everything. Okay. So now we are having mixies. And this is the stove. So this is the modern stove. And you all know this is, even now also we will use, right? But few will use. We can have a easy lifestyle doing this chapatis in this roti maker. Okay, but before we used to use this, even now also few are using this, right? Okay, and in the last class we also learned about medicine in the kitchen, that is importance of garlic, asafoetida, ginger, turmeric, black pepper, cloves, right? Even I have said you about coriander juice, coriander tea. I hope you all have enjoyed in this holidays time, right? Okay, if not, you can do it now. Okay, and then we have learned some simple scientific investigations in daily life, like see here, real or shadow. Okay, so if we place anything under the darkness, like keep one room dark, and if you keep a candle, light a candle, and if you place any toy near to the candle, you will see a shadow like this, right? The shadow. So what we'll see, one side the toy and another side we'll see a shadow. So if we move the toy away from the candle, what will happen? The shadow will become bigger, right? If you move near to that, it will become smaller. Okay, so I hope you all have done this experiment in your house. And then we have seen lava in a cup using a jar or a glass bottle. Inside this we have filled with water and then added food color to it. Then we have added vegetable oil. Then what happened? Oil will float on the top. Then if we add salt on the top of the oil, immediately we'll see blobs like this. Okay, like this blobs will come up and down in the glass. Okay, so if we want to repeat this, we can add salt repeatedly. Okay, I hope you all tried this. See what happens if we add oil to water. First, oil floats on the top of the water because it is lighter than the water. Since the salt is heavier than oil, it sinks down into the water and takes some oil with it. But when the salt dissolves, the oil goes up again. Okay, this is what the process in this experiment. Okay, children. So, add oil to water. Add oil to water. What will happen? If we add oil to water, the oil will float on the water. Next, add color to the mix. What will happen adding color to the mix? The full thing will become colorful except the floating oil. Next, add salt to the mix. What will happen? If we add salt to the mix, immediately that salt will go to the bottom and it will also take some oil along with it. So what will happen? Oil will float down and then when the salt gets dissolved, it will float up again. Okay, this is the experiment. Next we have learned about thermometer. Using thermometer, we can measure temperature. It is an instrument used for measuring body temperature, right? It has a narrow sealed glass tube marked like a scale like this. Okay, the markings show the temperature. So we can use this thermometer, okay, for measuring body temperature. Okay, understood? See here, now in this lesson we are going to learn about boiling point of water using thermometer. Okay, so temperature only now we are going to measure using thermometer. So what is the temperature if we boil water? Okay, if you boil water means not simply boiling. So until the bubbles come on the top of the water, that is called the boiling point. So that temperature if we see or measure with the thermometer, that temperature we get as 100 degrees centigrade. How much? 100 degrees centigrade. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, 100 degrees centigrade. So what about this boiling point? It will be like remain constant. It will not rise up even if we keep on boiling also. Okay, the temperature will remain as 100 degrees centigrade only. Okay, also we can measure the boiling point of milk. Okay, and in the last class I said you to color these all things. Did you color that? Show me in the Zoom class. Okay, okay. Now in this class we will see book exercise. Okay, so first Roman number is say whether the following statements are true or false. So it is true or false. Okay, let's see. When we boil water, bacteria are destroyed. So when we boil water, what happens? Yes, bacteria will be destroyed, right? Next, idli is cooked by the process called steaming, right? Correct only. Idli is cooked by the process called steaming. Steaming process only idli will be cooked. Idiyappam, idli, puttu, everything will be prepared by steaming process. So it is true. Next, third one. Thermometer is used to measure pressure. Is it used to measure pressure? No, thermometer is used to measure temperature, right? So it is false. Refrigerator helps to keep things cold. Is it so? Yes, true. It will keep everything cool. Garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. Okay, garlic relieves hiccups and nausea. Nausea means vomiting sensation. Okay, hiccups means if we feel thirsty, more thirsty, we get a sound. Okay, that is called hiccups. Okay, immediately your mother or any elder people in the house will ask you to drink water. When you get a sound, that sound is called hiccups. Okay, so will garlic relieves hiccups and nausea? No, that is ginger. Okay, garlic will not relieve. So it is false. Next, boiling point of water is 100 degrees centigrade. Is it so? Just now we have read that, right? So it is true. Okay children, so understood? Copy this neatly in your textbook with a pencil and also write true, a full spelling, okay? False, full spelling, no TF, not like that. You have to write the full spelling even in the exams. Okay children, because many of you don't know what is the spelling of true. Some are writing TURE, true. Okay, you have to learn that. Okay, I hope you all understood this true or false. Shall we go to the next exercise? That is Roman number 2. See, circle the name of the things from which idli is made. So here are few ingredients. Okay, so we have to circle only the things which idli is made. Okay, which is helpful in preparation of idli. So first one is rice. We need rice for idli preparation, right? So rice, circle this rice. Groundnut, is it so? Groundnut is required? No. Next, chili. Do we use chili in idlis? No. Then black gram. I said black gram, urad dal. This all comes in same. Okay, lentils. This all comes as same. So black gram, urad dal. That is true. We need this black gram for idli making. Next, red gram. Do we need this one? No. So we don't use for idli. Next, water. Yes, we need water for idli, right? We have to use water while grinding and also before grinding. Okay, then salt. Yes, we need salt. In almost all the dishes, food items, we need salt. Okay, next, pepper. Do we use pepper? No. So no need to circle pepper. Then sugar. Do we use sugar in idli? No. Next, fenugreek. Yes, we use fenugreek. So circle rice, black gram, water, salt and fenugreek. Okay, so how many are there? 5 are there. Okay children, understood? Shall we go to the next one? Yes, third Roman number. Third Roman number is match the home appliances and their functions. Here are some home appliances. Okay, home appliances means which we use in kitchen. Okay, that one we have to match with their functions. For what that home appliance is useful. Okay, so we have to match it. First one is pressure cooker. What pressure cooker will do? See, makes coffee? No. Preserves vegetables? No. Boils water? Will pressure cooker boil water? No. Makes batter of food grains? No. Cooks faster? Yes, right. So pressure cooker cooks faster. Okay. Next, refrigerator. What it will do? Refrigerator will make coffee? No. Preserves vegetables. Yes, it preserves vegetables. Next, kettle. What it will do? Makes coffee? No. Preserves vegetables? No. Boils water? Yes, it boils water. Next, grinder. What grinder will do? It makes batter of food grains. Batter means mav. Okay, so it makes batter of food grains. Next, this is coffee machine. Okay, coffee maker. So makes coffee. Okay, understood children? So these are the home appliances and in the middle we have their functions. So we have to match the appliance, home appliance which is for which one it is useful. Okay, understood? So cooker, pressure cooker cooks fast, refrigerator preserves vegetables, kettle boils water, grinder makes batter and then coffee machine makes coffee. Okay children, understood? Okay, then next one, that is fourth. Which of these are safe to do at home? Put tick or cross in the box. So, which of these are safe? Which are these are safe? We have to put a tick or cross in the box. Touching the home appliances. Touching electrical appliances. So, is it safe to touch electrical appliances? No, we should not touch anything that is related to power, that is current, electricity. We should never touch electricity items. So, cross. Next, playing with sharp objects like knife and all. Is it safe to play with them? No. So, cross. Playing in the kitchen. Do we play in the kitchen? No, we should never play and we will never play, right? We should never play and we will never play in the kitchen. So it is cross, wrong. Keep safe distance from the gas stove and cylinder. Yes, we should keep safe distance, means we should be away from the gas stove and cylinder. Correct. So only one correct, right? Okay. The next one is question and answers. So these all are one word answers. Already I have sent you in the WhatsApp, but I want to read these. Just listen. How do you store fruits and vegetables for a longer period? How will store? We'll store in the refrigerator, right? Right. Name the instrument used to measure temperature. Name the instrument used to measure temperature. It is thermometer. How is idli prepared? By steaming. What is the use of black pepper? What black pepper will do? It will relieve from cough and cold. Which kitchen medicine is called the poor man's antibiotic? Garlic. Okay. You can write it here itself. Okay. Next. It is essay type answers, that is long answer. Okay, the first one, write the uses of boiled water. So I have sent you already the uses of boiled water. It destroys microorganisms, it destroys bacteria. Okay, it is safe to drink. Next, write the advantages of pressure cooker. What are the advantages? It is very easy, right? Cooking in the pressure cooker is very easy and the food nutrients will be restored. It saves time. So, advantages, right? Okay children, with this we have finished our syllabus. Okay, the first term syllabus has finished and soon we'll have first term examination. Okay, so prepare well for your examination. Okay children. Okay, I hope you all understood this lesson very well. Thank you.